Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our important mathematics session for class 12th. Today, we are going to solve the second question from our 100 most important questions that I have selected for board examination 2026 students. And I want to tell you one very important thing is that these questions are not only for CBSE students. These questions are important for all boards like CBSE, ICSE, ISC and all state boards. I have selected only those questions that have repeated many times again and again, and in a single question you will see more than 2 to 5 formulas and 10 concepts are there. That's why I have taken this question. So now we are going to solve the second question, and second question is find dy by dx at x equals to 1 and y equals to pi by 4 if sine square y plus cos xy equals to k. So I have to find dy by dx. Here is sine square y plus cos xy equals to k. On differentiating both sides with respect to x, we will get dy by dx. So we have to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So I can write it d sine square y plus cos xy by dx equals to dk by dx. K is constant here. So next term will be if there are two or more than two functions in addition or subtraction, you have to differentiate each function separately. So you have to write here d sine square y by dx plus d cos xy by dx equals to dk by dx. The differentiation of constant will be 0, so you can put here 0. And the next term will be, the differentiation of sine x to the power n. This is the form of x to the power n. Why? Because you don't know the differentiation of sine square y. So this will be like x to the power n. So here you can write it sine y whole square by the chain rule. You have to differentiate this. Here you write sine y, and you have to differentiate sine y with respect to dy, and again you have to write dy by dx. By the chain rule, I have differentiate sine square y, and the next term is cos xy, and you know the differentiation of cos x. Instead of cos x is xy, so you have to take here dxy by the chain rule, and again you have to differentiate xy with respect to x, and equals to 0 you have to put. You understood. So the next term will be, the differentiation of x to the power n is nx k power n minus 1 dx to the power n by dx equals to nx to the power n minus 1. So here will be 2 sine y into the differentiation of sine y will be cos y and dy by dx plus, here the differentiation of cos x is minus sine x, so this will be sine xy into, here is two term u into v, and the differentiation of u into v, you know that duv by dx equals to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. So we have to use this formula here, so you can write it. Here u is x, so x dy by dx plus y dx by dx equals to 0, you have to write. And the next term will be 2 sine a into cos a equals to sine 2a. So here you have to write sine 2y. and dy by dx plus is not minus sine xy into x dy by dx. You have to write here same dy by dx plus y into 1, because the differentiation of dx by dx equals to 1, and you have to write equals to 0. So the next term will be sine 2y dy by dx minus this x will come here, so you can write x sine xy dy by dx. You have to multiply, and minus y sine xy equals to 0. Here you will see that in two terms there is dy by dx and dy by dx. So dy by dx you have to take common here. If you will take common dy by dx, you will get here sine 2y minus x sine xy equals to, this term will go there that side and it will be plus, so it will be y sine xy, and from here you can find dy by dx, and the dy by dx equals to y sine xy, and this term will come in denominator. So here will be sine 2y minus x sine xy. So this is not the final answer. This is dy by dx. Now I have to put the value of x equals to 1 and y equals to pi by 4, and then we will get the final answer. We know that x equals to 1 and y equals to pi by 4 are given in question. So I have to put this value in this question. You will get y equals to pi by 4. That means pi by 4 into sine x is 1 into pi by 4 divided by sine 2y. That means sine 2 into y is pi by 4 minus x is 1 into sine 1 into pi by 4. Now I have to solve this. You can write it pi by 4 into sine pi by 4 means 1 by root 2 divided by 2 2s are 4. This is sine 90, and sine 90 equals to 1, and 1 minus this is sine 1 into pi by 4. Sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. If you will take here LCM, this will be pi by 4 root 2 in numerator, and here will be, if you will take LCM, it will be root 2 minus 1, and this root 2 and this root 2 will be cancelled. So it will be pi by 4 root 2 minus 1, and this is the final answer for this question. So please friends, just like, share this video more and more people or students, that they can get help from this video, and I will explain all the 98 questions before your examination. So please like, share and comment. Thank you.